Do you ever feel scared to speak English? Today, I will show you simple speaking patterns you can use immediately. By the end of this lesson, you will speak with confidence. Let's begin. Hello everyone, welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. Today, we are doing a very important lesson, speaking practice for beginners. You need only two things: simple patterns, everyday examples. Let's practice together. We start with the easiest and most useful pattern, I am plus. You can use this to talk about yourself, your feelings, your job, your day. Examples: I am happy, I am busy today. I am a teacher. I am ready. Read these sentences out loud. Now you try these new sentences. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I am improving every day. Next, we talk about things you enjoy. The pattern is I like plus noun or activity. Examples: I like music. I like tea. I like watching movies. I like learning new words. Your turn. Say, I like English. Good. Let's continue. To speak with others, you must ask questions. Here are 3 easy questions you can use anywhere. How are you? Example answers: I am fine, I am good. What is your name? Example answers: my name is Anna, my name is Ben. Where are you from? Example answers: I am from Sri Lanka, I am from Colombo. Say them slowly, then faster, then confidently. Now let's practice together. I will ask, you answer. What is your name? Good. Where are you from? Excellent. How are you today? Great job! Here is your speaking challenge. Repeat these sentences loudly. I am learning English. I like practicing every day. I am confident. I can speak English. I am improving. You did amazing! Remember, speaking is like exercise. The more you practice, the stronger you become. Speak a little every day, even for 1 minute. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy for more simple English lessons. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing.